Hey, Connor. Are you playing with your friends? Can you give us a smile? Are you talking to the monkey? Oh, hi, Keela.
Keela, stop it. Come here.
Connor. Give us a smile. He's happy because he's playing with his friends and Alabama's beating Florida. He's got his football outfit on today.
Well, you shouldn't say that because if Alabama ends up losing, I'm never going to want to watch this video.
Say, be positive, Daddy. You were smiling like crazy before Mommy got the camera out. Can you give us a smile? And that's a yawn, silly. Give me a smile. Connor. Give us a smile. Hey, you. Connor. Are you smiling at the monkey? Can you give him a smile? Come on, buddy. Connor. He really likes this monkey.
Look at the Terrence Cody is the halfback.
Come on, Connor, give us a smile.
First and goal.
There was a half smile. That's worth a smile, huh? Touchdown, Alabama. Come on, Connor. Give us a smile. Can you smile? Smile for Mommy. Keela.
I'd be happy if they didn't score on that play. Use up a few more seconds. But I think he scored.
This video's getting pretty long, Connor. We're going to have to turn it off and start a new one. Can you smile for Mommy? Keela. Sweetheart, I know you know how to smile. Yes. Thank you for the kisses. Okay. Thank you. Go see Daddy. You want to say hi to Grandma and Nana?
Say hi, Keela. We lost the noise.
There's a smile. There we go. Keela, stop it.
Keela.
There we go.
There's a smile. That's a sly smile.
Say hi, Grandma and Nana.
Keela.
Grandpa Bob and Grandpa Neil. Say hi. There we go.